Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the surface element switch in an Amana range. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, and 2 pairs of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new surface element switch, the 3/16" female spade terminal, and instructions. The surface element switch operates the surface element, switching it on and off and changing the heat intensity. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it breaks, causing the element to stay on a high heat or not to come on at all. The switch we are replacing controls the large element on the right side. We will start with pulling the wrench out and unplugging it from the wall outlet. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws that hold the top rear panel. If they are all in place, you should have 10 screws to take out. Remove the switch knob. Make sure it's the correct one. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the 2 screws that hold the switch. As you can see, all the wires are grouped into 2 quick disconnect plugs. This makes it much faster to connect and disconnect the wires and impossible to mix them up. If you have the wires connected individually, use the flat blade screwdriver to remove them from the old switch and install to the new switch one by one. You can also take a picture. Memorize which way is the top, and using the flat blade screwdriver, pry off both of the plugs. This is the old surface element switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we need to compare the lengths of the shafts. If they are the same, proceed with the installation. If the shaft of the new switch is longer, as in our case, using the small flat blade screwdriver, remove the spring clip from the shaft, and then, using the 2 pairs of pliers, break off the tip of the shaft at the notch. Place the spring clip on the shaft. Next, we need to compare these 2 terminals on the new switch with the old switch terminals. If these terminals are smaller than the rest of the terminals, we should proceed with the installation. If this terminal on the old switch is the same size as the rest of the terminals, then we need to splice in the female contact supplied in the kit to replace the existing larger terminal. Now we can install the wire plugs on the new switch. If you have individual wires, connect them one by one, referring to the picture you took earlier. Install the switch on the control panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Install the knob with a notch fitting over the groove. Install the rear panel top first and secure it with the Phillips screws. Looks like we're done with the repair. Plug the wrench in, push it back into its place, and check if the element works properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.